sight down. DIYs, market, don't do it like that, it's a little bit hard. I'm only doing it because it saves time. I only did it that way. But you guys, you DIYs need to mark it. I don't, because it's doing it this way is quicker. And I've been doing it for a long time. My eyes are used to sighting down the back of the tile. Take that one home, Chryso. Get some glue on it. Hello. That was a clip in the glue. Right, we've got clips up there, nope, but we will. Like these tiles are about 10 kilos each tile. We have a winner. Where's my rubber hammer? Give it a bash. Throw a wedge in. I'm happy with the lines. Beauty. Love it. Do you ever stop learning, people? No. Check that. That's all right. I'm about a mil out. See that gap? But that's all right. It shows it could. Now I've lost my trowel. There it is. It could go up just a squiddle. I'm happy with that all day long. Okay, people, I'll carry on across here now and go up there. I need to fill those in, but I've got plenty of time yet. Once I get going on this and I've got this wall behind me, it's going to be a good day. Subscribe to my channel, people. Poke the thumbs up. We'll see you soon.